Welcome back, dear students. Hope you all are fine. In our last video, we have finished our first chapter, that is nutrition in plants. And if you are having any doubt in any of the topic in first chapter, so please write it in the comment box. From today, we will start our new chapter, that is nutrition in animals. So the topics which we will read in this chapter is first introduction. First is introduction. Second is ways or methods of taking food. Ways or methods of taking food. Taking food. Third one is digestion in humans. Third is digestion in humans. And the fourth one, digestion in grass-eating plant animals. Digestion in grass-eating animals. Grass-eating animals. And the last topic is feeding and digestion in amoeba. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. So these are the topics that we will cover in this chapter. So let us start our chapter. In the last chapter, we have read that plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food by photosynthesis. Food by photosynthesis. And we have also read that animals cannot prepare their food. Animals cannot prepare their food. So the animals need ready-made food. Animals need ready-made food. So the animals get their food by eating plants directly. They get their food by eating plants directly or by eating other animals which eats grass, or by eating other animals which eats grass or plants, which eats grass or plants. So all the animals depends on plants, either directly or indirectly. They are dependent on plants either directly or indirectly. We have read that all living organisms require food. All living organisms require food. And why does they require food? The living organisms require food for their growth, functioning of the body, and repair works, So for these things, all living organisms require food. In class 6, we have read about components of food. Do you remember which are those components? Yes, those components are proteins. Fats, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and roughage. So these all are the components of food, and we have read that the carbohydrates are complex substances. They are complex substances. These carbohydrates cannot be used by the animals or humans. So first, these carbohydrates, which are complex substances, they are broken down or converted into simple substances. They are converted or broken down into simple substances so that the animals or humans can use it. Now, the process of converting the complex substances into simple substances so that the body can absorb it, it is called digestion. Digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down of complex substances into simple substances so that the body can absorb it and use it for growth, functioning or repair of the body. Now we will read about different ways of taking food. Different ways of taking food. Different animals have different organs. They have different organs or different structures. They have different organs or different structures for taking their food. Now we will discuss about some of the animals, how they take their food. The bees and hummingbird, they suck nectar from the flower. They suck nectar from flower. I think all of you knows about nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid that is present in the flowers. And the animals like the lizard and the frog. And animals like lizard and frog. How they catch their prey? They use their tongue. To catch the prey. Lizard and frog use their tongue. To catch the prey. And the snakes, they use their mouth to swallow the other small animals. Snakes swallow other small animals. And the babies of humans and some other animals. They depend on mother's milk. Babies of humans and some other animals depend on mother's milk. And some aquatic animals means those animals which lives in water. So some of the aquatic animals take or eat small food particles that float in the water. Some aquatic animals eat small food particles floating in water. That floats in water. And some of the insects like the mosquito, they suck the blood of other animals. So these are some examples of different animals in the ways which they take their food. Now we will read our next topic in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you students for watching. Please press the bell icon.